We got a 2017 Forest Service rig we're working on, a 6.4. Came in with a misfire. So we were doing an inspection on it and took the air filter out, and the back side of the air filter is all dirty, which is not a good sign. So we looked into the throttle body, totally covered in dirt.
There's something. Hey,
If you look all the way in there, it's totally dusted out.
I got a jar of dirt, and guess what's inside it?
And you can see all the dirt on the ground. 5 different times it still has dirt in it, so it's gonna need an engine. So we're gonna do a little tear down and see how far the damage goes, but it's toasted. A little update on here. We got a bunch of dirt on the clean side of this air filter, so basically this filter needed to be changed sooner. Maybe a little thicker filter would help, but the dust got inside the cylinder and dusted out the walls of the cylinder, so it's got 30% leakage. So this guy's gonna need an engine.